As you can see in this rendering, our vision connects the transit hub directly to the subterranean shopping levels and the automated parking facilities below.
We're hitting dense sand now. Check the water level.
It's rising fast. Looks like weathered rock at 12 feet.
Archaeological surveys investigate subsurface conditions, documenting historical artifacts, foundations.
Utility mapping locates existing underground infrastructure, including water mains, sewers, electrical conduits,
The vibration readings on Sector 4 are higher than projected. We need to adjust the TBM speed.
The tilt meters show the settlement is currently within the predicted range.
Good, but keep a close eye on the vibration data during the deep excavation.
Engineering design develops structural systems, including diaphragm walls, top-down construction sequences.
Foundation protection implements underpinning and monitoring systems for adjacent buildings, preventing settlement damage as deep
Watch the left side, slowly, slowly. Okay, keep it coming down.
Lighting contains circulate during excavation. Heavy liquid flow pressure.
Hydromill cutter technology excavates diaphragm wall trenches using powerful rotating cutting wheels, achieving precise vertical walls in challenging ground conditions efficiently.
Second pile walls construct overlapping drilled shafts, creating continuous underground barriers, alternating primary and secondary.
228.16. Ground anchors install high-strength steel tendons drilled into
top-down construction method builds roof slab at ground level before excavation proceeds downward. Completed floors support perimeter walls, enabling excavation continuing beneath constructed levels.
Bring it down 20 feet.
Copy that, 20 feet down.
Watch your alignment on the east side.
Groundwater control implements dewatering wells and drainage systems, lowering water table around excavation, preventing
Floor slab construction proceeds from top downward. Each level constructed after excavation reaches required.
waterproofing membrane application protects exterior walls with multiple barrier layers, preventing groundwater infiltration.
Move the stack of boards to the second bay. We need this corridor clear by noon.
All systems checked and confirmed. Life safety is online.
Good. Let's head to the next junction.
Ventilation shaft construction creates vertical passages connecting underground levels to surface. Large diameter shafts enable
2228.267 emergency stairs construction.
Fire suppression systems install sprinklers, standpipes, and foam systems throughout underground spaces. Robust.
So, 22.128.30. Electrical distribution builds pressure substation stations, excavation network.
Did you secure the splice closure?
Yes, just finished tightening it.
Drainage system construction creates networks of pipes and sumps collecting infiltration water and operational wastewater. Transit integration connects underground development with subway platforms, rails, and rail tunnels. Pedestrian.
Kenning pre-developers. Territorially 8.335. Natural bottling stall skylights.
Acoustic design controls noise from mechanical equipment, foot traffic, and transit operations using sound-absorbing materials and vibration isolation.
Retail tenant improvements customize spaces for individual businesses, installing specialized utilities, finishes.
I can't believe he said that.
I know, right? But seriously, this pizza is amazing.
Utility corridor integration consolidates infrastructure in dedicated underground passages, accessible tunnels. Thermal energy systems install district heating and cooling distribution networks, serving connected buildings efficiently from central plant.
Rainwater management constructs underground detention tanks capturing stormwater during heavy rainfall. Controlled release.
This is not a drill.
I repeat, mobilize all resources to the coastal region immediately.
We are activating continuity protocols.
Secure storage vaults construct high-security facilities underground for data centers, bank vaults, or archival storage.
Testing and commissioning. Verify all systems function properly before public opening. Comprehensive inspections ensure safety.
Command, this is Rescue 2. We are moving the patient through the conduit now.
Acknowledged. Watch your footing, team.
After years of planning, the ribbon has finally been cut, opening this massive infrastructure project to the public.
Given the complexity of this structure, inter-team coordination is paramount. We need seamless transitions between maintenance and security protocols.
Monitoring systems track structural movement, groundwater levels, and environmental conditions, providing continuous data, detecting problems early.
Security operations implement access control, surveillance cameras, and
Temperature control maintains comfortable conditions year-round despite lack of natural ventilation. Sophisticated HVAC.
Fourth, humidity management prevents excessive moisture and condensation problems common in underground environments. Dehumidification.
Check the pressure on this line. Looks like partial infiltration.
Sump is clear. Activating the pump now.
200 GPM. We're good to go. Keep moving, everyone. Follow the green signs to the nearest exit. Stay calm and proceed through the doorway.
Winter operations address unique challenges. When surface conditions extreme, underground spaces maintain comfort.
Property value enhancement shows underground connections increasing building desirability and rental rates. Direct transit
Transportation efficiency improves through integrated underground transit stations, reducing transfer distances and wear.
Climate resilience provides protected environment unaffected by surface weather extremes. Underground spaces remain accessible.
Zilson. Historical precedents trace underground's development from ancient catacombs to modern complexes in Montreal, Toronto, and
Montreal's réseau network exemplifies extensive underground city, connecting metro stations.
Toronto's path system links office towers through 28 kilometers of climate-controlled walkways. Underground city enables winter travel.
Beijing's underground spaces accommodate extensive subway networks, civil defense shelters, and commercial development. Singapore's underground master plan proposes massive subterranean expansion, including expressways.
Helsinki's underground city spans over 400 facilities carved into bedrock, including swimming pools, shopping.
The Paris catacombs demonstrate historical underground adaptation, repurposing limestone.
Typically, sorted railings no hard spots are like listas. Regions where millennials possess skills. Geological advantages favor certain cities for underground development. Solid rock provides stable excavation conditions.
Cultural attitudes toward underground spaces vary globally. Some societies embrace subterranean environments.
228.82. Legal frameworks establish property rights and rights for underground space.
Environmental benefits include reduced surface heat island effects, preserved green space, and protected
Energy efficiency demonstrates underground spaces requiring less heating and cooling due to Earth's thermal mass, stable temperature.
acoustic isolation benefits from earth berming, blocking exterior noise. Underground spaces achieve
Security advantages protect critical infrastructure from weather, terrorism, locating sensitive facilities underground.
disaster resilience, shelters populations during emergencies, robust underground construction with
228.89. Technology enablement requires advanced engineering and construction methods.
There is no claim from. We must consider higher construction expenses against the
land value savings on operational events.
Construction challenges though include the coastal handling.
Schedule implications recognize slower construction pace due to sequential excavation and limited workspace. Realistic timelines account for
Risk management addresses unique hazards, including flooding, structural collapse, and toxic gas accumulation.
This route minimizes disruption to the transit lines.
What about the property access during phase 2?
We have an agreement on the mitigation efforts.
Moving the infrastructure underground, we free up this entire area for the new public park you see.
Design innovation creates attractive, functional underground environments, overcoming negative pressure. Psychological considerations address human factors, including wayfinding, circadian rhythm disruption, through thought.
Long-term maintenance planning anticipates ongoing care requirements, budgeting for mechanical system replacement. Research advances study underground construction methods, human factors, and structural behavior, advancing knowledge.
Ensure the pressure matches the geological data here.
Understood. Increasing torque now.
Excellent. See how the cutter head responds.
International collaboration shares best practices and lessons learned across borders, global conferences and publications.
Standardization efforts develop common guidelines and specifications for underground construction, creating consistency. Innovation incentives encourage new approaches through research funding, demonstration projects, and regulatory flexibility. Future visions propose ever deeper and more extensive underground cities. Conceptual designs imagine
Climate change adaptation positions underground development as strategy for rising temperatures and extreme weather.
Hyperloop proposals route ultra-high-speed transportation underground. Evacuated tube systems.
228.111. Data center concentration locates digital infrastructure underground, leveraging cooling efficiency.
Industrial facilities move manufacturing and logistics underground, freeing valuable surface.
agricultural innovation develops underground farms using artificial lighting, controlled environments.
Water storage constructs massive underground reservoirs, capturing stormwater and storing drinking water.
Energy storage locates battery facilities and pumped hydro systems underground. Subsurface placement provides temperature stability.
Cultural venues construct performance halls and museums underground, exceptional acoustic properties and climate control.
FIAL. Sports facilities develop underground recreation centers, including swimming pools, basketball courts, and fitness facilities.
Medical facilities locate hospitals and research laboratories underground. Vibration, isolation, and environmental. Urban mining recovers materials from old underground infrastructure. Decommissioned tunnels and facilities provide secondary Ecosystem services recognize underground development, preserving surface land for parks, habitat, and
Quality of life improvements result from weather-protected environments, reduced surface congestion, and efficient
social equilibrium.
Legacy infrastructure represents long-term investment in urban structure.